Today we're going to show you how to start this particular Audi. We've been using this throughout the whole trip, and we think it's a fuel pump, but we'll show you how to jump start a fuel pump. So just to prove to everyone that it doesn't work, I'll attempt to start it, and you'll see it just doesn't want to go.
It's important to take off the shoes, or the slippers in this case.
Yes. If it starts right now, then this whole video is a failure. Right? It doesn't start. So we'll show you how to do that. Alright? According to the car, we're low on fuel. 20 liters isn't low, but for this one it is. So we're going to fill 10 liters, and then we're going to pump it and start it. Careful. Okay, that sucks. We got our 10 liters in. All we need now is this straight edge screwdriver and an air mattress pump. So, yeah. It was the 80s, you know, you had to get innovative.
Not.
This is so ridiculous. Alright, first thing you do, you get the screw off from the fuel filter. Might take a while. There we are. Move that out of the way. Alright, it's dripping. That means there is some pressure. Some. You get your air mattress, pump, push it in.
Nope. Not.
Oh. We should use the other one. Yeah. Come on. There we go. And give it about 3-4 pumps.
It's a nice workout.
You have no idea. Okay, that's about 4. And this is the fun part. It's all going to be gushing out. So be very quick. Ooh, that was almost not legal.
It's not legal at all.
The fuel feels nice and cold on my hands. All right, let's tighten that up. So ridiculous. All right, let's get this out of the way. Get all the fuel out. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't use this for your bed after. Let's see if it starts.
Let me show you a nice car. It's a Nissan. It's a nice
Ooh.
car.
This is the 100cc cool, charismatic, and classic.
And this is just really nice car.
I hope this works.
Oh, there you go.
That's how you do it!
Now off to action.
Listen to her purr!